Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the help section on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my town, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. New, if you want to find the help section, go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. Here you can find the second button, the help and support, under the sign in with Facebook. Click that. And new, in this site you can find different option, and you can check the answer for that questions, and you can contact with the customer service. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.